taco, cat, goat, cheese, pizza, taco, cat, goat, cheese, pizza. The goal of the game is to get rid of all your cards before your opponent does. In order to do so, you'll be taking turns to place your cards down whilst chanting
cat, goat, cheese, pizza, taco, cat, goat.
Pause. The play continues until you see a picture that matches the word being said. Once you see a match, slap the pile as fast as possible to win the round. So those are the basics really, but let's make things crystal clear and set things up from scratch. First things first, we're going to shuffle up the pack. Then we're going to deal out 12 cards face down to each player. Oi, I see you peeking, but do not look at your cards. At this point, you're all ready to go. Coming up is a full-speed example of the game. Shh, pay attention.
Taco, cat, goat, cheese, pizza, taco.
Notice how the loser of the round takes the pile in the middle.
Taco, cat, goat.
Now, as you can see, the game is pretty simple. But hold up, we are not done just yet. There are a few considerations to clear up. 1. Flinching. If at any point you flinch incorrectly, immediately lose the round. 2. Say it wrong or say it slow. Taco, cat, cheese. Immediately lose the round. 3. Draw cards facing away from you, not towards you. If you catch them cheating, guess what? They immediately lose the round. And 4. Remember, this is the flip side, people. Every single card in the deck has a dark side or a flip side version. So if a card shows up backwards, we will slap the card with the back of our hands. If you slap with the incorrect side of your hand, immediately lose the round. Finally, if the game wasn't crazy enough for you, there are 3 special cards that can pop up at any moment. These are the Moose, the Panda, and the Flapjack. Once they do, here's what you need to do. Panda, rub your belly at least 2 full circles before slapping the pile. Flapjack, clap twice before slapping the pile. Moose, make antler ears beside your ears before slapping the pile. Oof, well, there you have it. A lot going on here. If you liked the video, don't forget to like the video and let me know which tutorial to do next. Catch you next time for more fun and games.